Hello, good evening everyone. Tasarie here. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you what I got at the Paris Louis Vuitton store for my birthday. I'm so excited about these items, and to be honest guys, I used one already, but I did put it back in the box, so it's not really a true unboxing. I was so excited. I got it yesterday and I used it today. And I quite love it. This is the item I speak of. It comes in this lovely box here, and let's open it together. It opens this way. I love the way it opens, actually. The way they make these boxes is great, because before it was like two different boxes and it kind of snapped back closed. That's very nice. I like that. Hopefully I'll be able to fit this in my suitcase and take it back. It'll be a challenge, but we'll see, because I have to definitely take back my Chanel boxes. So it's don't be tight. We'll make it work. But this is the item, the draw dust string bag here. It's a pretty big dust bag for the bag size. As usual, it's massive. This is the bag. It is the Damier Azur print. Very pretty, and I love the inside. It's pink, so I'm gonna have to be extra careful here, because messy here. I'm gonna have to be really clean when we carry this bag. And I love this one. It says in the back here, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, en français. Like that about it. And I carried it today, and it was quite handy. I took it to the Louvre, and the only thing is annoying is when you have to open this buckle each time to get in and out of the bag. I wish it was like a snap open release for quick and ease. But it was pretty secure when you pull the string here and then snap this in. I wasn't too much worried about the pickpockets that they speak of. And for measured security, I carried it in front of me like this, just to be extra safe. Also, there is a zip on the side here, and it goes pretty much all the way through the bag. And that's, just felt the date code. The date code is in here. It's SR 1158. So that is it. A very nice backpack. It will be travel in a breeze, and you can carry quite a bit of essential in here for a day at the museum, a day of just running around Parisian style, wherever you are in the world. Do recommend it. I do want to get the darker color, because this will be a spring summer color. So yes, that is that. And I got one more item I want to share with you guys. This was, for price reference, 1,450 euros, and you do get the VAT tax return on that, so that's quite nice. This is the second item, guys, and ta-da! Another lovely box, and I am loving the way these open, enclosed like a real drawer. That is so cute. And this is this here. Voila! It is this lovely scarf, and it is the chalet. Oh, it is so beautiful. It's blue ingrained in like a white. It just channels the ocean, the skies, nature. So beautiful. Look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I mean, once I saw it, there's another one I was looking at, and I saw this one, and it just blew it out the park. It is quite beautiful. So I will put in some modeling shots at the end with the bag and the scarf, so you can guys see how it looks on me. That is what I got from Louis Vuitton, guys, at the Paris store here on the Champs-Élysées. Thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up if you like this video, and do subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at LifeFashTasarie. LIFEFASHTASARI. Bye, guys.
Maybe the big one. It's good getting more use out of it. Think about it. Are you serious? No.
It's hard when you decide how many do you have.
What's the price? Yeah. Step by step each other. You don't know that? I like them both equally, to be honest with you. Try the other one on there first. Sorry. We've got the footage now. I can go back and see your verify. I'm leaning towards this one now, actually. This one. Okay. Only because it's got a little bit more pop to it because of the whiteness. That was a really beautiful colour. Yeah, but that's got a little bit pop. Yeah. Yeah. See, you have to take time. I like to think about the decision rather than. See, that one's beautiful too. Yeah. It's nice. That one pops.
If they didn't have them out, then you would say, okay,
right.
if you put them together.
No, I'm not going to use it that often. That's not worth it to me.
I'll have to research that. See how true that is.
That's
where I need to go in the middle of the road so I can get the middle of it.